My name is Melissa Pulsini. I'm a physician assistant and I'm one of the faculty with Empire Medical Training. I've been teaching with Empire Medical Training for several years. I have a passion for teaching and I love being part of this amazing team. My three most favorite courses, I love them all, but I love to watch our students start from beginning and watch their journey. So I would say Intro to Botox and Fillers, and definitely Cadaver class is one of my favorite because I'm an anatomy professor and I feel that knowing your anatomy and safety is really one of the top priorities. I love meeting all our new attendees and following them through their education and their journeys and seeing them from beginning to when they open up their new practices is very exciting and fun to be part of. For many years, our students have been giving us the feedback that they would love to come to our practices. I am really excited about our new fast track training program. We're going to be able to work with you hands-on for the whole day in small group settings and really learn to advance your skills and techniques. In our new fast track training program, we're going to be having really in-depth training from start to finish, going over all the pearls, all the anatomy. We're going to be using several different types of medications and learning where to properly put them into the face. My name is Melissa Pulsini. I'm one of the instructors with Empire Medical Training, and I'm inviting you to join us for our next workshop.